Alright, what's going on, y'all? Captain Namco here. Gonna run my 2017 Kirby Avalir. Hasn't been touched in a while, so we're gonna run it today. Oh! That didn't sound good. Could be something up in it I didn't know. Okay, apparently my belt. Well, I know I ain't been ran in a while either. Factory LED headlight. Alright. Don't want to hit Grandpa's blanket. Oh wow, that bottle was sitting in the corner. That thing pulled all the way out. Watch. See it was moving it a while ago? Nice. Now what can I say? These Avalirs move a lot of. They move a lot of air. What can I say? Alright, y'all. So thanks for watching, y'all. Before I go, I just want to mind y'all and keep us flourishing and God bless.